Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, we're going to show you how to fix high memory RAM using in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So very easy guys. First you click on registry editor. After click on AK local machine, click on system. After click on control set 001, click on services. Video. Not do. Click on Odyssey. After click on OK. Click on start. Type here run.
.msc and we want to left click.
Type here services. Dot msc. Click on OK. After scroll down, if you want see superfats, right click superfats and after click on disable. So guys, this is very easy and simple method if you want to fix high memory or RAM using in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video helpful or not. Thank you for watching.